Welcome to the Rad Attic. Today we're going to show you how to set up the Rad Universal Air Handler Hanger. The first thing you're going to notice that it's a very compact design. It's already supplied with levels, anti-vibration foam, and safety pins. Each cable is rated for 200 pounds. It's all gripple with 3-inch eye bolts. So let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the 2 safety hinges from the hinge, lay it to the side. I'm going to take the assembly and I'm going to split it in half lengthwise to give us the overall length. I'm going to reinsert the 2 ball tent pins back into the same holes that I removed them from. Now both hinges are locked. Next, I'm going to use the detent buttons to allow me to start making the frame square, one side to the other. Once I choose the length that I want, just have 2 lengths, in 55 or 66, you can actually hear it click and lock itself in place to be square. Once you hear that, you can adjust the jam nut underneath each detent pin. This is firmly going to lock all of the corners square. Now that you have all 4 corners square, we're going to turn the unit over and get it ready for installation into the rafters. You will install your cable. Each cable is 15 feet long. Guarantee you will reach the height you are looking for. Now, with all the cables and anchors secured, we're going to start removing all the excess line in the cable till it starts to suspend from the ceiling. I'm going to simply start pulling up till I find the desired height that I wish to work with, using the levels to help me start the leveling process. I'm just going to remove the excess off to the side for the moment. They're all wide enough for a 34-inch pan. The whole unit can accommodate a 60+ inch pan, depending upon what you're using. Slip into the holes provided in the frame. Now the center has 2 holes. It depends on your pan. If you want to have the drain in it, you could push the drain off to one side and not in the center and be interfered with the center hanger. For this purpose, I'm going to use the offset hole. And there you have it. You now have an air handler hanger from Rad.